Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to talk about a new topic, prime factorization. Okay, what is prime factorization? Let me see the definition first. To break a number into its factor. To break a number into its factor is called prime factorization. Let me see some example, then you can understand what is prime factorization. Let me take some example number 16. Now I am going to find out the factors of this 16. You know very well because last class we talked about what is factor, what is multiple. So the same method, same concept, here we use and find the factorization, prime factorization. Okay. So 16 is the number, you know very well it's a composite number. Now I am going to find out the factor of this number. So what is a prime factorization? You have to break the number to its factor. So now I am going to find out 16 factors. So first I will find out 16 into 1 is equal to 16. Okay. Then 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Then 4 into 4, 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 116 is equal to 16. Now, see, 16 is the multiple of 1 and 16. 16 and 1 both are factors of 16. Okay, here 8 and 2 both are factors of 16. 16 is the multiple of 8 and 2. Okay, now let me come to the point. Now we have to break up. Actually 16 is the number. Now we break the number into its factor. So 16, 1, 8, 2, 4, 4, 2, 8. These are the factor. But it's a multiple of 16. Let me see some another example. I will tell you another method. Use that method. We have to break the factor to its factor. Okay. See 16, same 16. If you first I will divide by 8 2s are 16. So 2 I will put this side because I can't divide anymore 2. If you divide we can't get factor. Okay. So this is the end. So I will put this side, but 8 is we can divide more. So I will put that side. See this side 8. Okay. So we have to take up to end these 2. But here I am going to find out new factor of this 8. So 4 2s are 8. So 2 I will put this side because 2 we can't divide more. 4 I will put that side because 4 we can find more factor. So that's why. So I will take down one step downside because third step. Okay. So now I am going to find out next factor of this 4. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. So I will take one step downside. So see here finally 1, here 2, 3, 4 2s. If you write this all factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to, listen, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we can write 16 like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is a break, it's a 16, we break the into its factor. So 2 into 2 into 2, what? 16. 16 is the number, we break as it's 2 into a factor. So we can write like this, 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, this is prime factorization. Okay, see students, welcome to all. Let me see the another example for prime factorization. Before that, I will tell you the definition of prime factorization. The method of expressing a number as a product of its prime factor is called prime factorization. Okay, the method of expressing a number as a product of its prime factor is called prime factorization. It means the factors, you know very well what is factor. Prime means what? Prime number, you know very well. Prime number 2, 3, 5. Which number have only two factor, that number will be called prime number, you know very well. So if the number, it may be factor, we want to find out is a prime or not. So we know first we have to find out the factor, then after we have to choose, we have to finalize is it prime factor or composite factor. Okay, so first we will find out the factor of given number. Let me take some example here. I take to find the prime factorization of 18. Before we saw some number, now I will take 18. So you know very well how to find the factor. Now I will take 18. So 2 9s are. Okay. So 18 is equal to 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. You know very well. Then 9 we can divide further. Okay. So now 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Yes or no? See, 18, 2 9s are 18. 2 and 9 here factor. You know very well. 18 is the multiple of 2 and 19. 2 and 9. Okay, very well. Now, 9 is the multiple of 3 and 3. 3 into 3. Okay. Then 3 and 3 is the factors of 9. We know very well what is factor, what is multiple. Okay. Now we have to take, we have to find out prime number. Which is prime number? You know very well because already we discussed prime number, composite number. Here we have to circle which is prime number. If you circle 2 and 3, these are prime number. So it's a factor of 18. So that's why now we have to express the factor product of its prime factor. So if you multiply this prime factor, you can get that multiple 18. Let me see here 2. So 2 into 3 into 3. What is the multiple of this number? 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So total is 18. So 2 into 3 into 3 is a prime factorization. Okay, this is the prime factorization. You can find another method, another way. I will tell you. So 18, the same method. 2 9s are same. 2 9s are. So 2 I will put this side because I can't divide more. Furthermore, okay. So I will stop. So I will take down just simply. I will take down. Okay. So 2 9s are 18. So 9 we can divide further. We can divide. So 3 3s are 9. Here simply I will take one step down. Now see the final factor 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So total is 18. So you can find this way or this way for prime factorization. Okay students, let me see some other example to find the prime factorization of 24. Let me see some two methods are there. First I will tell you method 1. 24. So 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Then 2 further we cannot divide, but 12 we can divide. So 6 2s are 4 3s are 12. Sorry, 4 3s are 12. Then 3 we cannot further divide because it's a prime number. This is also prime number, but 4 is a composite number, so we can further divide. So 2 2s are 4. Here see, 2 is a prime number, 3 and 2, 2, these all are prime number. So is the factors of 24. Now let me collect and write this factor 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So 24 is the multiple of this. So this is the factors of 24. Okay, let me see the method 2. 24. Now we will multiply 4 6 are 4 6 are 24. Both are composite number. Okay, but what is this, our question? We have to find out the prime factor, but both are composite factor. So further we have to divide. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, here 2 3s are 6. But now see 2 2 2 3, these are prime number. So now we can take this factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So total 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So you know how to find out the prime factorization.